the class.
So take out your textbook, everyone. Page number 152.
Can
Page
you
number
show the class?
152.
Ma'am, can you show the class?
I will present my screen to you. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes,
To the
ma'am.
online,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
please be quiet, students. To online students, I am audible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
But your voice is not coming to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Just give me 1 minute. I have to log out and log in again.
I want to see the class.
Now, students,
You are
Yes.
audible properly, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear
Ma'am, can
us?
you show the class?
okay, can you
Hello,
speak?
ma'am.
Someone can speak?
Ma'am, your
Ma'am.
voice is too low.
No, ma'am, your voice is perfect. Your voice was perfect.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your mic is off.
Now I am audible.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
So, okay,
you were
students.
Ma'am,
audible
can you show
clearly.
the class?
Ma'am, can you show the class?
Yes. You want to see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
please
Ma'am,
come.
can you show the full class?
Okay, now please pay attention here. I am going to present the screen for you all. We are going to do the textbook exercises today, and for them, I will read the question and explain them. So please pay attention here. We are not talking right now. Everyone, those who are sitting offline here in front of me, everyone, open the page number 152. For them, I am going to present the screen. No talking, please. I don't have to say individually to the students to be quiet in the class.
Ma'am, which page number?
152. Is the screen visible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
Yes.
clear.
Okay. Please take out 152 page number. This is the page number. So what is written on this page number? It's written, can you imagine how big a square of, no, we come on the share the land. We come on the topic directly on share the land. Nasrina is a farmer who wants to divide her land. Land you all know in any of the shape, either in the square or the rectangle. Her land equally among her three children. How many? Nasina is going to divide the land into how many students? Three students. Chumki, Jhumri, and Imran. These are the three students where she want to divide the among these three students. She want to divide the land. She wants to divide the land so that each piece of land has one tree. Her land look like this. So this is the land. This is the image of a land, students, which is given in your textbooks also. So you have to divide in such a way, start dividing the land in such, first of all, you should count what, you should find out what is the area of the land. Find out what is the area of the land. Yes, you give me. Twisha. Huh? 90 square centimeter. Is she correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
90
Yes, ma'am.
square centimeter is the area of this land. So
Yes, ma'am.
if you divide 90 square centimeter area in among the three persons, then each will get
30 pieces.
30. Yes, each will get 30. Now each will get 30, but this is one condition that each child will get a tree. एक ट्री सबके हिस्से में आना चाहिए. So how you are going to divide this land? And please show me the division part and bring your textbook here near to me one by one after getting the permission from me. These and those students, those who are doing there, they please show me their textbooks. 1, 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6, 8, 22, 16, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. So now after this, you check his also and his also. Yours is right. Okay, you both.
Three parts, three colors.
Okay.
Black pen, pencil, and then marker.
Just count the area of the squares and check. Good. Okay, good. Now what is the next? Those who are there online, Trisha, check their books and check the area of these two. Please show the volunteers your textbook after dividing the area into three parts. There are three friends. And you online students also show me your textbook that you have done the division. Am I clearly visible to the online students?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Let-
I didn't understood this.
What?
Ma'am, this.
Let me take the attendance for a minute. What is the problem, Rudra?
Ma'am, I didn't understand that how to do this.
See, the total area is 90 square centimeter, right? And each will get 30 because there are three students. There are three children. No talking, please. You are doing Dhyan. Dhyan Chile, Dhyan Dalal, everyone. So 30 each one will get. So take the squares or the area in such a way that each child will get one tree. There are three trees. There are three
Okay, ma'am.
trees.
So we have to divide these blocks.
ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 30 ऐसे ले लिया लेंथ वाइज. आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट माय स्क्रीन एंड शो यू. You will not take in such a way. Wait. ऐसे लाइन में नहीं लेना है. If you take like this 30, then what will happen? The one child will get two trees, another will get one tree, and the another will get nothing. So you divide this area in such a way that all will get each one tree.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I divided and everyone is getting one tree. But ma'am, there are
Shape
some
will
squares
change.
left. But there's some squares left. But
No. If you give 30 to each, there will be no square left. Yes. Have you counted this? Have you counted this area and have you counted this area? It's coming same 30. Let Arna just count. The 30 is there in each of the square. Yes, please. Done, students? There are different ways also. Don't copy the same way. There are different ways of dividing it. So, can you, yes, you have done? Yes, you have completed?
No, ma'am, I'm trying.
Try it fast so that I move to the next topic then. So the next, those who have done here, they will. So children, now you can see there are the different shapes are coming after dividing into the area, right? So what you have to do now, you have to find out the perimeter of each of the shape. The way we have done the worksheet. Perimeter is the outside boundaries you are counting, and one square is of 1 centimeter. So start counting the shape which you have done, which you have made, and find out the perimeter. Now the perimeter, children, I will ask one thing. The perimeter will come same or the different? Students, from online students, I'm asking, Mohit, turn on your camera.
So Randy, sir, my Wi-Fi server is down.
Okay. Just show me your textbook.
Chunky will have the most perimeter.
Just see the perimeter of this. 1, 2. This way you have to count.
Ma'am, I checked it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is 24. And Chunki is this
more
na?
than 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it is
Chunky has the
28.
most one. I told you.
1,
And
2,
Imran will be
3,
less
4,
than.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So
Yeah.
according to you, Chunki, maybe
Yeah.
his is different.
The names
Huh.
are full. This will be 22 centimeter.
Okay.
So, ma'am, Chunky is right.
You
now.
have counted? Yours is correct.
Ma'am, now I changed it and now all have 30.
All have 30. And each one is getting one tree.
Yes. The fear.
Rudra, yours is done. Okay. Rudra, I will check you. Now count. See the perimeter, the outside boundary.
Ma'am,
Perimeter is
now I get the equal boxes.
huh. And it is not visible to me properly. Okay, okay. This side you have taken. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And this way, for this one, this is not clearly visible. Why you have shaded that part, Rudra Jajaria?
Ma'am, that was the extra one part.
Every okay. Now
Ma'am,
find the perimeter. This perimeter is अब जैसे जैसे मुड़ेंगे वैसे वैसे perimeter find करेंगे. Perimeter is the highest is 38. Perimeter not of the one. There are 3 different figures now you can make.
ma'am,
Find the perimeter.
ma'am,
Find the perimeter round. Find the perimeter of each shape. Yes, students.
Ma'am,
Anushka
can
has also done. Anushka,
from
I'm meaning
here.
you. Yes.
Ma'am, this was extra line made over here. It's
Ma'am,
an
yes.
extra line. There was some mistakes in it, so that.
It is 74.
How much wire in all 3? हाँ. तीनों का perimeter. 26. This is the highest. सबके perimeter निकालो and who is having the highest?
28, 26 or इसका 24.
I will come and check your books. Wait a minute.
All is 30 है. Ma'am, इसकी 70.
All got the 30. Now find the perimeter by counting the outside borders. This way it will go. It will go this way.
Ma'am,
I have
ma'am,
to
the
find the
shaded one
perimeter.
was not the
Yes.
extra one.
Renu ma'am, we have to find the perimeter now.
Now find the perimeter of the figures. Wrong. I will show you on the screen how to divide it. This is the one way of giving them the 30 squares. And now when you find the perimeter, student, You all are moving here and there, the students who are there offline. You are doing, Aryaman? And go. And you have to see the perimeter from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28 centimeter is the perimeter of the first figure. So this way, students, you know how to find the perimeter. Then you have to find the perimeter of the next figure. And then you have to find perimeter of the third figure. Any difficulty of finding the perimeter? Area is okay. Now find the perimeter also. Okay, you have counted the outside boundary for the perimeter. You have to give me the books for the checking today once you complete. See, divide in such a way the squares so that each will get the, this way I will show you on the figure. This, see here on the screen. See, this is the one way. See, when you count these squares, this is 30, this is also 30. This child is also getting one tree, this is also getting one tree, this is also getting one tree. So you divide in such a way so that each will get one
Ma'am,
tree.
can
And
you?
the area is 30.
Oh, ma'am, I'm just using Lakshya book because I didn't bring the textbook. Tomorrow I will.
Okay. Yes, yes, what happened?
Ma'am, see.
Perimeter also you will give me, write the centimeter also with the perimeters. Wait a minute. Very good, very good. He has done. So 30. 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now find the perimeter also. Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Because you will, I think you will face the difficulty when you find the perimeter of the green one. So properly find the perimeter of the green one.
Ma'am.
Find the
Done.
perimeter, done. Find the perimeter
Yes.
will not come in the square centimeter. Write the perimeter also.
Ma'am, the
Only the
perimeter of this figure is is 38. This one is 30, and the last one is 26.
Okay. I will check. Write the centimeter also unit. And in the textbook, please use pencil only. Meters. Okay. Give me your textbook today for the checking, students. Write the perimeter in the centimeter, area in the square centimeter. No, this is wrong. One child is getting both the trees. एक ही कोई आ गया. One child will get only one tree. Okay, students, move to the next topic. ये मैं करा रही हूँ.
Ma'am, I had got the perimeter.
Send me the picture. Attach a picture of your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Where we have to attach in the mail, we have to send you now.
I will send you the work. No, I will send you the work in the classroom only. There only.
Okay.
One is this one, and second is this one, and the third is this one. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Here you have taken from here, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Ma'am,
16,
can I see the
17,
perimeter
18,
of
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. जैसे जैसे आप उस शेप में आए वैसे वैसे आपको पेरीमीटर काम करना है. तो इसका आपका 32 है. Same way you have to count for this outside boundary, and same way you have to count for this. Go from here, and the zigzag pattern. Count the perimeter.
I can do it by the zigzag pattern.
Whichever pattern you have followed, no problem.
Ma'am, but ma'am, it will take us
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This way you have to count. Yours is coming. Just check. I'm somewhere मैंने कहीं रुक दिया. But the way I'm going on your borders, आपको वो ही count करने हैं line. हाँ, perimeter is the outside boundary only. No. Okay, students, I'm moving to the next. If each square on this page is equal to 1 square meter of a land, how much land will each of our will get, children? Yes. So please write the answer 30 square centimeter in the blank. Meters, and then write the square meter. 30 square meters is the answer. Then Jhumki, Jhumri and Imran need wire to make a fence. Who will need the longest wire for fencing? According to you, maybe you have. So who have made students? Then who will read this? Please sit for the period. So once you find the perimeter, so who is getting?
Jhumki.
Yes. So write the answer. How much wire will all the three will need? So what you have to do in this case?
We have to add all the perimeter.
Add the perimeter of all the three
all.
children. Yes. Now come down for the practice time. So children, as you know, that the square centimeter, the things which are small will be measured in the centimeter, and the things which are bigger than the centimeter will be measured in the, and more bigger, like we have to find the distance, kilometer. Third unit is kilometer. So if I say about the handkerchief, so tick in the column of squares and pick me. Tick in the column of square centimeter fast. Done, everyone. Moving to the next, Sari. If she will give the answer, Anya. Sari.
Ma'am,
Sari will be in meter. Meter, yes. Yes, Rudra Jajadia. Page of your book.
Square centimeter.
Yes, Rahil. School land. School land.
Kilometers.
Page of your book is, you tell me it will be in the meters?
Ma'am,
Centimeters.
kilometer.
Kilometers.
School land will be in the meters. Or you can click, which will be both, kilometer as well as, yes.
Ma'am,
It will, and the total land of a city,
kilometer.
kilometer. Door of your classroom,
Centimeter.
who is saying centimeter?
Ma'am, meter.
Meter. Door of your classroom, meter. Next. Chair seat.
Centimeter.
Chair seat.
Centimeter.
Because you know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And if you measure the chair seat, will be more than 100 centimeters? No, so it will be in centimeters. Blackboard.
Meter.
Meter. Indian flag.
Meter. Meter.
Meter. Small flag, but it's an Indian flag we are talking about. So if they're Indian flag, no, so you can say centimeter also. Both. Land over which a river flows.
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Turn the page. Draw a square of 9 square centimeter. Write A on it. Draw another square with double the side. Write B on it. And after this, you have to find the perimeter and the area of the square A and the square B. First of all, draw it and tell me, then I will ask the question. Draw in your notebooks. Write the page number 154. Land of a city, kilometer. Related with this question, any child is having any problem? To you all students, any problem?
No, ma'am.
So please draw two squares. Draw a square of 9 square centimeter, another square with the double of the side. So what will be the students?
Ma'am, A will be 9 and B will be 18.
Yes. So are we here for talking only? Write today's date neatly in the note on the notebook and draw a square with the 9 square centimeter. Draw a square of 9 square centimeter.
का आपको आपकी
9 square centimeter means it will be, each side will be of 3. आपका area है 9 square, perimeter
And
है.
3 3s are 9.
Yes, 3 3s are 9. Area is 9 square centimeter. So each side will be 3. And if you double, the next square will be of double. So each side will be 6. एक square आप बनाएंगे which will be of 3 centimeter side because the area is given to you. Got it, Nishika? Everyone got it? Because the area is given to you, which is the 9 square centimeter. And 9 square centimeter is the area of when you, and what will be the one side? 3. So draw a square of each side 3 centimeter. And now double the side and next draw the one more square and write the name B. So now the perimeter of a square A will be what?
Ma'am, 4 into 3.
What will be the perimeter then, Yash?
4 into 3.
What is 4 into 3?
4 multiplied by S.
What will be the answer?
12 centimeter.
Yes, 12 centimeter. Please write the answer 12. I want the students, those who are sitting here also can do their work on time. 12 centimeter is the right answer. Everyone agree? Move to the next. The side of a square B is dash
18
centimeter.
centimeter.
Side. One side. 6 centimeter. Please write the answer 6 centimeter. Because we have just double it, no? The area of a square B. What will be the area? Only one child is active and actively giving the answer in the class.
Ma'am,
What
can
is
I?
the answer?
Ma'am,
Third answer, third.
36 square centimeter, 36.
What is? Perimeter area is length multiplied by breadth.
I'm 36.
Yes, sir.
36.
The next teacher will come. Your period, na? Just a minute. 5B. So students, this way there are 3 to 4 questions are more here. Migdal, are you getting me? Any difficulty? These are the 4 to 5 questions more. Complete it and share the answers with me in the next class tomorrow. Okay, students? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.